recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
So y'all, this is how my hair turned out. I did go ahead and do my makeup. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Like y'all, this looks so natural. Definitely a 10 out of 10. I love it. Love it. Everything about this half wig will be in the description box. I did get Indian curl. I feel like Indian curl goes better with my hair texture, but next time I probably would try Burmese curl. Yeah, 10 out of 10 in my book, y'all. Definitely 10 out of 10. Everything about this wig will be in the description box. It'll be everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box below. Also, you can use my discount codes to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Definitely go and check out ELFIN hair. They have so much to offer, and I have worked with them before, y'all. Definitely 10 out of 10. And it is human hair.